Hello, my name is Roberto Alzaga, and I am the GC Application Specialist for Servomex, and this is Chris Davis.
I'm the Application Manager for Purity and Specialty, and today we're going to be unboxing the SERVOPRO NanoChrome.
NanoChrome is an ultra-trace UHP gas analyzer specifically designed for the semiconductor manufacturing industry.
It's worth noting at this point that all our analyzer packaging has been drop tested to ensure the safety of the technology inside. So let's open the box. Included in your loose items kit will be your power lead, spare fuses, CD with report software, your test result sheet and test certificate in your documentation package, your quick start guide, your NanoChrome operator manual, and a keyboard.
And finally, you have your NanoChrome analyzer.
It's a 19-inch rack-mountable analyzer, so it can be easily installed into a rack system or cabinet, or integrated into one of Servomex's CQC or multi-gas monitoring systems.
The NanoChrome offers ultra-trace analysis at PPT levels monitoring of impurities such as hydrogen, methane, argon, nitrogen, carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide, and non-methane hydrocarbons in a wide range of common background gases. It uses Servomex advanced Plasma Emission Detector sensor and ProPeak software, both specifically developed by Servomex.
And in conjunction with our DF500 oxygen and DF700 moisture analyzers, Servomex provides a total single supplier solution for UHP gases. The NanoChrome offers considerable advantages over competing technologies in terms of performance, stability, safety, and cost efficiency.
The Plasma Emission Detector sensor doesn't need a methanizer or flammable fuel gas, so installation is simpler and ongoing costs are significantly reduced.
So now let's have a closer look at the SERVOPRO NanoChrome. On the front of the analyzer is a large display, keypad and mouse to access software features, and a USB port to connect to keyboard or external storage device.
And on the rear of the analyzer, you will find labels with the model and serial number, as well as technical information, analog and digital outputs, and multiple communication options such as RS-232, RS-485, and Internet. You will also find an additional USB port. And depending on your configuration, trap inlets and outlets, auxiliary oven power, connector, and various carrier and sample inlets and vents. It's important to note before you power up or connect carrier gas, you must remove all vents caps to prevent damaging the analyzer.
We also recommend the use of the SERVOPRO Pure Gas to ensure quality of carrier gas.
Once powered up, the analyzer should be pushed for at least 24 hours before use it.
Let's power up the NanoChrome.
The NanoChrome is optimized by a sophisticated and flexible operational software that offers access to all device options via PC. As with any gas chromatograph analyzer, flow rate and temperature are well controlled, and the preset values are embedded within the software.
Due to the complexity of the NanoChrome, it is highly recommended when receiving your analyzer that it is commissioned by a Servomex service technician to ensure a reliable measurement from startup.
Our technician will also provide you with hands-on training so you can feel confident operating your analyzer.
Servomex also have a number of service products available to you, delivered by our global service network, offering lifetime support for your products.
Thanks for joining us today to unbox the SERVOPRO NanoChrome. To request a quote or download resources, visit servomex.com or contact your local business center.